Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a postage on Vinted. So what you'll need to do is basically go and click on your profile picture. After that, navigate through the settings, and here you'll see a postage. Click on that one. Right here you will be able to add your address if you want to couriers collect, deliver orders, and etc., and then process returns. And right here, if you are shipping as seller, you can choose which option you would like to use for each shipping type. So you can choose from your address. So this is the drop down menu. And after that, you will be able to select one of those and turn it off if you don't like it. And right here, from the drop off point, you'll see other couriers, and basically you will be able to enable it or disable it, same as that as we did from your address. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.